Hi, this is Sarah from the Designer Teacher and Teacher Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the 2020 Teacher Care Crate. This month's theme is Let's Get Cozy. When you open up your crate, the first thing you'll see is this month's info card. This just tells you everything that comes in the crate as well as where it came from. Next, we have this month's 5x7 art print. It says Let's Get Cozy to go with our theme, and this was designed by Fairways and Chalkboards. Next, we have this month's wearable item. It's a big one. I know you guys are gonna love this. This is a teal beanie that says Teach on it, our first ever hat in a Teacher Care Crate. Teal is my favorite color, as maybe you could tell from past boxes. So super excited about this one. Can't wait to see you all wearing your Teach beanie. Next, we have this Moon Velvet Moisturizing Cream Mask. It's a sheet mask from Face Story. Just a really nice moisturizing and nourishing mask, great for winter. Next, we have two pens. No teachers love their pen collections. Again, going with our theme. They are teal and blue. The blue one says Cozy Teacher, and the teal one says Grade and Chill. Okay. Next, we have an ornament. This is the third year in a row we've done an ornament, handmade ornament from Cabin 20 Creations. This one's a little bit different from past years. It has a cloth backing. It says Teach on these little wooden squares, kind of like Scrabble pieces. You have this cute little teal bow. So this is great if you do have a Christmas tree, but also kept it kind of neutral, so it could just be used as a regular decoration also. Next, we have this Crisp Winter Air hand sanitizer. This is from Star Valley Naturals. I know personally, I love having a bunch of little mini hand sanitizers so that I can keep one in like all my jacket pockets, you know, a drawer at school, all different places. So you can always keep your hands clean during these unprecedented times, if we're not all sick of that phrase yet. Next, we have a really cute laptop sticker. This was designed by The Perfect Pencil. She is a subscriber, actually, who has this adorable cat, Moki. So I was so excited this design she came up with. It is a little teacher cat with a scarf and has a mug of hot cocoa that says Teacher. I just think this is so perfect. And then last, we have this month's treat. I actually already made mine here. It is Elephant Vanilla Chai from David Rio, and it's so good. Ever since I ordered samples to try it out, I've been like ordering it, and now I have it like almost every afternoon. It's really good. So you can have it hot, which is how I have it prepared now. You can also make it iced. You can also make it an adult beverage if you'd like to add a little rum to it. It's up to you. So everything that comes in this month crate, you have your Elephant Vanilla Chai from David Rio. You have your adorable cat sticker designed by The Perfect Pencil. You have your Crisp Water Air mini hand sanitizer. Your teacher pens, Grade and Chill and Cozy Teacher. Your handmade Teach ornament. Your Moon Velvet face mask. Your awesome Teach beanie. The Let's Get Cozy art print. And of course, just your info card. So that's everything that comes in the Let's Get Cozy December 2020 Teacher Care Crate. There is still time left to order. You just need to head to teachercarecrate.com and hit subscribe by December 14th. Thanks for watching.